Well, it's the middle of the night. Well, not really. It's only like 9 o'clock. And here we are, back out here with this trailing edge PC. It's no longer got an Athlon XP in it, though. It's actually got a an Intel board that, unfortunately, you can't see very well, but it's definitely got an Intel CPU. I forget exactly what it is, but my main point of contention was that I wanted to put an AGP Pro video card in here, and I could not. So what I actually did is I ordered one from Germany, and I ordered it, I think, probably back in either November or December of last year, and it just now showed up. I thought that it was lost, and then all of a sudden I get a package from Germany. So, here it is. I forget exactly what it is. I think it's like a Fire GL X1 or something. It's an HP part. Plays with HP spare. I know it's a Fire GL something. I thought it would have said on it. I guess it probably does. It's got some labels. And I keep forgetting that this camera has a manual macro that I could probably be making use of. Fire GL X1. Alright, I was right. Cool. Good to know. That's the expansion for the DVI. Oh crap, it's dual DVI. I didn't even notice that until now, but that's fine. I have a DVI adapter out here, so it's no big deal. It's got a VET fan on it. I wonder if it even works. Of course, I don't even know if the card works. It could have when it left Germany, but, I mean, it left Germany, so it's been in transit for a while. So, we'll take out the existing card, which is just some PCI thing, and we'll give it a try and see what it does. Okay. The card should be in place now. So, it doesn't require any additional power or anything like that. So I can go ahead and hook this thing up and see what it does. Probably nothing, because I know how this usually goes. Okay, bare minimum is plugged in. Let's see. I hope that video card is in. Ha! Here we go. Or not. Wow. He thinks we got a problem here. Okay. Yeah. That's not working too great. Let me see if it's maybe that it's loose in the slot or something. Yeah. Doesn't work. That's the best I've been able to get it to do. If I flex it, it changes a little bit, but it's still not working. So I'm guessing that either the AGP slot on this motherboard is no good, or this card's no good. So pull it out, replace it with the old one, or I may try a different AGP card, but that's the best I'm going to do. I can't win. Doesn't matter if I get the right AGP card or not. Still doesn't work. Okay, here's another AGP card that was just sitting out here. V7700 Pro, 32 meg. Nothing good, but I figure it's an AGP card. I mean, what's the use in putting a PCI card in a system that supports AGP, you know? It's like putting an ISA card in a system that supports PCI. Let's see if it works with this. Okay. Yeah, Asus AGP V7700 Pro. That looks a lot better. It actually works. Sort of. I mean, the fan's bad, but What more can you ask for? Overclocking failed. CPU fan error. What chip is in this? I don't remember. Alright. 3 gigahertz. Pentium 4. 2 gigs of RAM. That's not too bad. Probably got a couple fans I gotta replace, but whatever. It's not even reporting the fan speeds. Maybe that's why it's upset. I don't know. I don't know why it's not reporting the fan speeds. It's really dumb. It's a 3-pin fan, I thought. Yeah, it's a 3-pin fan. So, the rest of them I get, because there is only the one fan in here, but why is the CPU fan not reporting a fan speed? Is it because the Q fan's on? Or if maybe that's it. Let's try that. Turn the Q fan off. Because it doesn't really need Q fan. I remember being told that these P4C800 motherboards were crap. I mean, crap starts with the Asus logo, but it beeped at me. What I wanted to see was whether or not it's reporting fan speed. I don't think it is, just because it beeped at me twice like that. Or that could be just because there was a hard drive detection error, but I don't know. Didn't lock up. Oh, good. Pressing the delete key makes the system lock up. High quality. Yeah, remember what I said about crappy Asus motherboards? Yep, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Since when does this have SATA ports on it? Oh, it does. It's got 2 SATA plugs. Huh! Could always put SATA drives in here. Let's see what the hardware monitor says now. Yeah, there we go. Now it's reporting fan speed. Should have a hard drive sitting around here that I could probably throw into this just to let it do something. Okay, there's your hard drive. Fortunately, it's an old enough drive that it's got the IDE power on it. So, we'll see what the system thinks of it. I don't think there's any data on it. I don't think there's anything, certainly not anything bootable anyway. See if the Promise Technology controller. No device found. That's good. Operating system wasn't found. Oh, there's something on it. Let's see if the BIOS sees it. So Control-Alt-Delete. Alright. Asus AGP. Press delete to go into setup. I saw a smart message, so I'm assuming that, yeah, it's probably seeing it now. Yep, there it is. So, that's pretty much it. AGP upgrade fail, but, well, halfway fail. At least I was able to put an AGP card in there, but not the one I wanted. But, at least we got a hard drive now, so we're getting closer to a finished system. It's just that I don't really have the time to work on it, so it's just going to go into long-term storage until I do.